Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have a new project. It's a '05 Mustang GT right behind me. I'm gonna show you guys how to prep the Eleanor style scoops. Let's go. So it's from MMD, Modern Muscle Design. Eleanor scoops from '05 to 14. So this is the way it goes. It comes in gray. So it comes with these instructions. It comes with these 3M tapes or stickers, however you want to call it. It comes with 4 of these, 2 for the larger scoop and then 1 for the small one. So you have to cut them, adjust them, and install them. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so first we're going to turn it around. We're going to use the alcohol wipes first. Open one up. Clean all the surfaces where all the 3M tape is going to go. Alright, next we're gonna use the promoter enhancement. Okay. Alright, here we go. Put it in all the areas. We're gonna put it on. Okay, put it back in here so it doesn't dry up. Close it, put it on the side. Next. Alright. This one here. Here we go. Alright. That one goes there. Okay. The largest one. There we go. And this one will go on this corner. Good. Alright, turn it around just like that with the other one, which will be this way here. Alright, this one will go here. Make sure the corner doesn't come out of the corner here. We don't want it to look sloppy. Alright, that's good. Then we'll get this side. This side. This one goes here. Last one. Well, the last two actually. last one. Okay. Put a little more. Enhance it so it moves correctly. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Put it back in there. Don't allow it to dry. Okay, that's good. Okay, there we go. The last one. We're gonna let it sit and let it dry. Okay, next we're gonna measure this place right here on the scoop hole, and then put some on the bottom. So it's better if you use the enhancer first. Make sure. Okay, here we go. Here. Cut it. Alright, perfect. Let's do the bottom part. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's cut it. Okay, that's how it should look when it dry. And then next, we'll go with the metal that covers the hole, or the ventilation, if you want to call it a ventilation, you also can. Alright, so we'll go here. It's perfect cut, an inch. Cut it an inch from the top. That's how it would look installed, and from the back. I mean the front, I'm sorry. That's how it should look. Same goes with this part as well. We're gonna put 3M tape as well, so it could glue. Let's do that. All right, let's start installing it here. All right. Go to here and here. Cut it. All right, let it sit. Same goes with the bottom. Here we go. You just put it here, enhance it, do it all the way down. And then once you get to the bottom, go ahead and cut it. There you go. Okay. Let it sit. Do the same thing with this side. It will be something like this. We gotta fold it, measure it, and then 1.5 inches from here, so it could go properly. All right, let's do that. All right, once you cut it 1 inch, check it out right here, which is perfect. And then this portion, you bend it, so it could glue on the bottom one here. So this part will glue there, and then the top portion fold it upwards. So it should glue there properly. So it should look like this. And same goes with the front. There you go, perfect. All right, let's let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll get back to it. All right, after that, we'll take the 3M tape off. And then we install this one. All right, let it sit, let it dry. Let's go up to the small scoop. Take the 3M tape as well. Take it off. All right, the bottom part. Okay, got it. All right, take that off. Little frame. Put it over here. Make it sit, and then the small one. All right, same procedure. You let it dry, let it sit. There we go. Let it dry, and then after that, it's pretty much done. That's the way it should look. All prep. Let it dry. The next day, you go ahead and install it. The scoop, finish. The small scoop in the back. That's the way it should look. Alright guys, thank you for visiting my channel. I'll make another video when I'm getting ready to install. You guys have a blessed day. Happy Father's Day. Have a blessed day.